Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this nail serum, and I'm gonna be telling you all the ingredients that I'm using today. It's not much of what I never used to make before, and so today I need this little roller bottle here. Now, if you don't want to use the roller that's on top of it, you can just, just use a finger. Um, so you need a syringe, and I have two here. I have a small one, and I have a big one, because sometimes when I'm using my oils, what happen is that it's sometimes the bottles are so difficult to open sometimes, and sometimes these are just new. So we're gonna be using today, guys, using lavender, and we're using myrrh, we're using lemon, and I'm gonna be using I'm not sure what kind of oil I'm gonna use yet, but also you can use any kind of oil you want. You can use any fractionated oil. My best one to use sometime is the fractionated coconut oil, and maybe I use jojoba oil today, or I'm not sure yet what I'm going to be using in this one. But guys, you can use any type of oil that you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop my drops in here in this little bottle here, so follow along. In the meantime, I'm gonna try to talk and count at the same time, so hopefully all goes well here that I'm showing you. So